Okay, I've come a long way in learning how to do my makeup over the years, and I've learned that there's just a few things I have to tweak because not everyone's face is the same. I have hooded eyes, which means I can't do my eye makeup the same way that someone with non-hooded eyes can do theirs. So I'm going to show you how I do my eye makeup now versus how I was taught to do my makeup before. So I'm going to use my fluffy brush, and I'm going to use this matte light brown shade. And this is how I do it now. I bring the color up high all the way to my brow bone. See, I have a very prominent brow bone. Okay, so how I used to do my eye makeup was just bring that color down here on my lower lid. And you can see the next part, I'm going to take this metallic orangey gold color. I'm going to take my flat brush and I'm going to press it into my eyelid on the lower lid. I'm not going to swipe, I'm going to press. And then because of my hooded eyelids, I'm going to bring it up just above that crease a little bit. Now for my other eye, I'm going to show you how I used to do my makeup. I just take a normal old brush and I spread it on there on my lower lid. Okay, and now to do that outer corner, I'm going to use this dark brown matte shade. I'm just going to stamp it on the outer corner of my eye. It looks a little crazy now, but don't worry, we're going to blend it out and clean it up later. For the old way that I used to do it, just kind of brush it out here. And I was always so afraid to bring that color up high. I didn't want to look like I was wearing too much makeup, but the result is it looks like I'm wearing no makeup. I'm gonna take my fluffy crease brush and I'm just gonna blend that out a little bit. I'm gonna blend it upwards and out. Go back with my crease brush and dust just a little bit under my lid. Even gonna go back and grab a little bit of this shimmer to line the inner corner. I can come back and add just a little bit more color to give it a little bit more dimension, and remember to bring it up high so you can see it when the eye is open. And then we're just gonna blend a little more. Now I'm gonna take that deluxe brush and get a little bit of that light shimmer shade, and I'm just gonna press it into that inner corner and then blend it out just a little bit and hit just under my brow bone, just ever so slightly, and this will also help clean up this darker color. Now on this side, I'm gonna highlight my entire brow bone because this is how I was taught to do it. I'm gonna add mascara really quick, but I'm gonna make sure to curl my lashes before I do that. Okay, I can't believe I did my makeup like this for so many years and nobody ever told me that I was doing it wrong. I'm grateful that I learned that with hooded eyes, I have to do things just a little bit differently than those who don't have hooded eyes. Be sure to like and follow for more makeup tips.